It's 1:17 right now. I picked these orders up at 12:22.
Oh my God.
That means in 6 minutes, this second Chipotle bag will have been in my car for 1 full hour.
Bruh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In today's video, I decided to do some Doordash Earn by Time. So we're starting off with some Earn by Time today.
Wait a minute.
Welcome back. I'm your boy, the Dash and Trader. Look, we got this first order. Double pickup at Chipotle. I just got both orders. They had them both ready to go. 13.7 miles on this one. 2 customers. Now, Doordash has a feature called Earn by Time where you can get paid by the hour from when you accept the delivery to when you complete it. Now, there can be some good things and some bad things when it comes to Earn by Time. The time right now is 12:30, so we in the beginning of the lunchtime, and it's Friday.
Bruh.
But man, this is a really far distance delivery. Now, I like it because it's 2 pickups at the same spot, but what I don't like is the distance on it. This is my very first order of the day, and it says it's gonna take me 59 minutes on this order. I already been on this order. Let me see, I accepted this order at 22 and it's 30 cents. So it's already been 15 minutes on this order. Now I got 2 drop-offs. If it's at least $10 in tip on this and I get at least like $10 in base pay, that'd be good because I don't foresee it taking a full hour to complete this delivery. But I do have both of them. We are approaching destination number 1. I've been on this order for 30 minutes already. I think it really sucks for the customer. Not only did they get the short hand of the stick when it comes to Earn by Time, this can also impact the dashers as well. Look, this is absolutely crazy. It was crazy traffic. I must have placed this order through the Chipotle website. There's this first one dropped off. We're 30 minutes into this one already. And I know we got like a 30-minute drive to the next customer. So let's see what we, after a whole bunch of heavy traffic, whole bunch of driving like 10 miles away, we're approaching our second drop off. Let me know if you out there doing Earn by Time or Earn by Order when you out there doing your dashing. Man, I feel so bad for these people. They order from 10 miles away. I literally didn't have this second Chipotle bag in my car for like an hour. Estimated drop-off time for this is 1:37. It's 1:17 right now. I picked these orders up at 12:22.
Oh my God.
That means in 6 minutes, this second Chipotle bag will have been in my car for 1 full hour.
Bruh.
A DoorDash customer, do you like to eat your food an hour after it has been in your Dasher's car? Because this Chipotle bag, and I think it's just a burrito bowl, this burrito bowl has been in my car for 1 full hour, and this customer's about to get it and they about to eat it. Hit that like button and that subscribe button if you're a customer or a dasher. We getting this money. I'm about to get damn near $15 in base pay on this order, and I think both customers probably tip. And see, this is the messed up part. This customer, you know, they probably thinking they did the right thing. You know, they tip, they order, they think everything good. 10 miles away. I don't care, I'm on Earn by Time. I'm about to drop this off. I will show you guys the final payout screen. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be something close to $15 in base pay. And it might even be a combined total of $15 in tip between these 2 customers. First customer might have tipped a couple bucks. They might have tipped like $5 to $7, but it don't matter because they 10 miles away. So it still ain't a good tip, but you know what? It don't matter because I'm on Earn by Time. So I'm getting my money either way. I think this the address right here. Yep, I think this the address right here. Ain't got nothing to do with me. We finna drop this bad boy off and keep it moving. Let me see. Apartment B, yep. Surely will. Yeah, they definitely placed this through the merchant website because this got you doing all extra step. Don't worry, we finna drop this thing off right at this front door. Ooh, no, they got all dookie in this yard. 13 miles away. Boom, got that picture, and we out. Boy, I cannot believe they about to eat that Chipotle after it's been in my car for a whole hour. They got dookie everywhere in this yard. Absolutely ridiculous. Ooh-wee. Go ahead, confirm that. Complete delivery. Yes, sir. Confirm. Screenshot. Oh, my goodness.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Wow. Well, I was completely wrong. This is a non-tipper. The other one was a non-tipper. I just drove 13 miles. Oh, these... They got me. I just spent the whole hour on this order. and neither customer tipped. This is crazy. Let me see. I got the screenshot. I'm gonna throw a screenshot up. They just played me. 2 orders, 2 customers, neither one of them tipped. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Well, ain't nothing to do but to get up out of here because I am royally pissed off now and I got a 10-mile drive back. So let's go ahead and hop to it. I am definitely a DoorDash clown today. See, I thought I was doing good by doing earn by time, and I thought I was doing good by taking that delivery that was going really, really far away. But they still got me. They played me. That was a bad order. I just basically drove all this. I just basically sat in my car for an hour for gas money. Not good. And my dash is over, so I got to drive all the way back. And I can't even hop back on the schedule until 2 p.m. So I got 40 minutes. If you a new dasher out there, look, DoorDash customers are trash. I'm just letting you know. I just dropped off to 2 trash customers. Look, I'm about to end this video. $15 an active hour, 4.8 miles at Chick-fil-A. And look, they would send me an order as soon as, you know, let me go ahead and accept that Chick-fil-A order because I already know this Uber order gonna be trash. $12, 15 miles. Yeah, we not gonna be taking that. Order number 2, we heading over to Chick-fil-A. Thank goodness they didn't send me another 10-mile delivery, man. It's slow out here right now. This is a slow time, but it's supposed to be a busy day. So let's see what the tip gonna be on this next order. This gonna be order number 3 technically, but offer number 2. So we heading on over to Chick-fil-A. And Uber Eats is straight trash. $6.02 for 21 miles. That's crazy. No, we're not taking that. And it's a dang elementary school, boy. This earned by time. They say you're gonna get less tips more frequently, and they don't tell you that you're gonna have more difficult drop-offs. Now, of course, this got to be a hand-to-me order, so I had to hit the timer. It's hand-to-me, but then they left a message talking about leave at security desk. Like, how stupid. It ain't no way this their first time ordering DoorDash. That's why I hate delivering to teachers. I hate delivering to schools and hospitals because they always do this extra ass shit. And if they order is on earn by time, it's probably a low tip or no tip. And they got me doing all this extra work. Well, guess what? I'm about to wait right here in front of this school for 5 minutes in my car and let this timer go down. And then I will go in. No, I'm not even going in. I'm going right to the door and I'm taking a picture because these people was tripping. I'm not going in there with them kids. No. I don't want nobody going in my daughter's school delivering no food. No. I'm dropping this stuff off outside. At 4.7 miles at McDonald's, and I wish it was the one that was right here, but it's the one that's like 2 miles away. But the drop-off is going to the college campus, man. My favorite spot in the whole world. We got 11 seconds left. Let's go ahead and accept this one, man. This is gonna be order number 4 right here. And can you believe it? My acceptance rate ain't even went up. Even though that don't matter, the only reason I'm doing earn by time is because consistency on the orders is what I'm looking for so I can try to make some money. But good God. This is why people be wanting the Moti app right here. Like, come on, 2 no-tip Chipotle customers and then a $2 customer. Like, if it wasn't for no high base pay, this just straight be trash. And I know some people, get a real job, make your employer pay you more. No, y'all need to tip or stop placing them damn orders. I bet it ain't no tip on this McDonald's order. 1, because it's McDonald's. 2, because it's on earn by time. 3, because we at the damn college campus. These college kids don't never tip. They don't never tip. I bet it ain't no tip on this McDonald's order. I bet they ass didn't tip. All right, let me go ahead and get back close to my Wi-Fi. I'm talking all this shit. Watch it be like $1 or $2 tip on her. Regardless, I don't care. I done got so many no tip orders from up here and brought them to the college. I don't even care if it's a tip. I'm still talking my shit. Now I need my internet connection to go ahead. Come on back. Where's my internet? There we go. There we go. We got the internet connection. $0 tip, just like I knew. Damn college kids, they don't tip. That's why I was talking all shit. Fuck them college kids. Straight up. All right, so far, time is now 3 p.m. I think I started at 12:30. So 2.5 hours on DoorDash, and what we got the show for? We got $30 in 2.5 hours, $31. Absolute trash. Let's see. We did $13.98 in DoorDash base pay on the first part, and then $15.21 in DoorDash base pay on the second part with a $2 tip. We delivered to 3 non-tipping son of a bitches, and I'm mad about it. My next dash started in like 4 minutes, but I got to travel back over to the zone where I started at. So let's go ahead and see how much money we can make and how many more trash. Wow, look, that was crazy. I cannot believe I had 3 no-tip customers in one small DoorDash shift. These are the kinds of things you can encounter when you're out there. Look, I know we may make these, you know, lots of dollars doing DoorDash and Uber and Grub, but it can be treacherous sometimes. You can get 3 no-tip customers and you can, you know, have 2 Chipotle bags in your car for over an hour. This was probably one of my worst shifts on Earn by Time out of all the shifts I've done. Also, let me know, what market are you out there dashing in? I would like to know, because the Dash Rewards program is going to be coming to all markets very, very soon. So you want to make sure that you're ready for that. And as always, look, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you check out some of these other videos over here, and I'll catch you in the next one.